Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy S24 Ultra, but before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, you're looking to protect your beautiful Galaxy S24. Look no further. I decided to pick up another case from ESR because I really did like the Armor case that I reviewed a couple days ago. This is just their Classic Series hybrid case. It doesn't have like a kickstand or anything, but it is made for MagSafe. I think I picked up like the not clear back. It has like a frosted back on there, so it's not clear, but it still should show off the beauty of your phone without attracting fingerprints. Like we normally do in my videos, we'll make sure everything lines up. Can you wireless charge? How strong is that magnet? How good is the fit? You know, just the normal things you look for in a case review. But let's see, I think I have it pulled up on Amazon, maybe not. All right, so at the taping of this video, it is $19.79, but they also have a clear one, which is the same price, but it is $19.79. Let's get into this packaging. I do like it. It's nice and simple. ESR. If y'all want to pause that, y'all can definitely do so. So, see, oh, I love that. Let's see. It says become a super user if you wanted to, and then level up your MagSafe. I actually have their MagSafe plug here, so you have Halo Lock magnet case there. Tech made easier. But look at that precise cutout. So, do you get camera protection? Yes, you do. And look at the precise cutout, too. It has a little brand in here. It says camera guard. Let's see. Do you get lip action? You do. You got some at the top and the bottom there. Not a lot, but you have some. Definitely have some. You have ESR logo here. Tech made easier. Everything lines up at the bottom. It doesn't really add bulk to your phone at all. Everything lines up at the top. I mean, it feels pretty good in the hands. Let's see. Overall fit is not bad. It could be a little bit tighter around the cutouts there, but I mean, it's not bad though. And getting it off, I mean, it takes some work, which I think it actually fits pretty good. I like how it feels in the hands too. Pause, ladies. But yeah, the overall fit is not bad. It could be a little bit tighter, a little bit snugger, especially on the sides and stuff, but not bad. It feels really good too. It doesn't add bulk to your phone. So this is like a case I could use every single day. The power button feels great. My always complaint, make the power button ridged so that way I know I'm pressing the power button. The vine rockers are nice and tactile too. Like I said, the pen is easy to get out. I'm going to keep that out. Let's see if can you wireless charge and how strong is the magnet. You can wireless charge. Oh. Yeah, the magnet is, oh, okay. So they have one of the best magnets. That is just dropping my phone. That magnet is really strong, y'all. I mean, I could just tell it's coming, yeah. So the magnet is really good, but can you use the S Pen? Let's find out. Let me turn up the brightness though. Okay, come on, click it. I don't know why that's so skinny. Yeah, so Forbes, no problem with my little puck here to use the S Pen. MagSafe is not affecting it, which most of the time now in these cases I haven't been having problems. So I definitely like that. Can you get to the, I don't know what button I press. I don't want to go to X. All right, so can you get to the edge panel? If my little edge panel will work, yes, you can get to the edge panel easily, not a problem there. So overall, let's check out the case. The buttons are really nice and tactile. Everything feels great in the back. I love the look of it. Man, I really like this case. Everything lines up. You get camera protection, lip action. The price is pretty affordable, $19. Not a bad case overall. Again, if you want to pick up this case, look in the description. I will have the links there. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.